all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is here, and it's already shaking up the mid-range smartphone market. Samsung has packed this phone with a blend of elegance, power, and innovation that truly defines the 2025 experience. From design to performance, everything feels upgraded and refined. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A57 5G comes with a sleek matte finish body, slim bezels, and a premium glass-like back that gives it a flagship feel. The moment you hold it, you realize Samsung has taken style seriously this year. The phone features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and ultra-smooth scrolling whether you're gaming, watching movies, or multitasking. Under the hood, the A57 5G is powered by a next-gen Exynos 1480 processor built for power efficiency and performance. Paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, this phone ensures fast multitasking, quick app launches, and lag-free gaming. When it comes to photography, the 64-megapixels AAA camera setup steals the show. The images are sharp, colors are vibrant, and low-light shots come out detailed. The 32-megapixels front camera is